Babumtuli siyabonga. Siyabonga bamtuli. Siyabonga bamtuli. I'm not in KZN. Kota siyabonga. You are not my premier or a mayor. I think, yeah, you are in terms of where I'm staying. My premier is Panyaza Lisufi. Siyabonga, bamtuli. When you are a South African, bamtuli, bamkwanas, bamkun, siyabonga. You are South Africans. You are leaders that are really trying to do something about what the South Africans are crying about, especially Tina Banpamnya. I've just listened now to a Ubamtulia Kulumogoti, that operation against crime and illegal foreigners in South Africa. I mean, in KZN, they're expanding it to other areas. He's just made an announcement. A man of action, a man that listens to the people and then they do. And Ninalape KZN Nikrent. Nikrent Gabi, you have leaders there. The police commissioner, Ubamkwanas. And then you got Ubamtuli, irrespective of which political party comes from. They are working for you. I guess you get any politics of what whoever comes from and who comes from where. That politic of who comes from where, whether IFP, whatever, it doesn't help us. As long as as long as people do what they're supposed to do and they're serving as citizens of the country, that's what matters. Kota siyabonga bamtul, siyabonga cool. There is this gentleman, Lapa Bupilo. Ube kuluma kona man. He was speaking. Unabu autina na iklakovan kikamita taps. Dibetibitol and Tufania High. Ari, politicians speak a lot of English. Ari is proud that Bupilong, it is the only township in South Africa that doesn't have an illegal foreign national owning or running a spaza shop. Because they chased them out. The people of Bupilo in Val. That guy said it. He said that, no, we chased them out because tuck shop industry, it is our economy as Abanbamnyam. Se pumanayo from apartheid. We come with se pumanayo from apartheid. That tuck shop industry. I mean, he was saying, Guti, you know, there was about 138 tuck shops, as he said, as mentioned, in Bupilo. Obipato Bupilo. And then Bupilong is one of the poorest townships in South Africa. 138 owned by the Pakistan or run by the Pakistans. I mean, that's not how things were done back in the days. You would have a tuck shop here and then you will have to walk a distance. Nyana, you know, get a distance and then you will get another tuck shop. 138. Neg. That gentleman, le out here se val, ya kulumugutino. Says back Oshil, Tina. We don't want that. That's part of our economy. Isekari bakalatela batwabang in other communities. Hona jwale. We've never had a case when we were running these tuck shops, Tina, as South Africans, kids dying. We've never had a case like that. Hona jwale in Soweto, another incident has happened in Soweto where kids died because of these Pakistani shops selling nonsense food. And then you would get a former president coming on a public platform and saying, Ugutino, these things are not affecting us. No, you can't tell me that illegal foreigners are affecting the economy of black people. That you can't convince me. We must find another way. Former President Thabo Mbeki, who knows nothing about this country in a sense of what the person on the ground feels, knows